Mwangi Wairia, we'll make that statement. We can look at them. They can mention.
This one.
Okay, I am told there is a page that was missing. Instead of the free and democratic nation that the 2010 Constitution sought to bequeath Kenyans, Ruto is trying to reinvent a police state of the 1980s and the Kenya Special Branch, plainclothes officers and terror machine. Last night, Azimio leaders, including Prime Minister and our leader, the Right Honorable Raila Odinga, and former Vice President, Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka, had their security withdrawn. This is significant. This is significant because those two offices are guaranteed security by an act of Parliament. It is not gratuitous. So this is illegal, and all members of Parliament from Azimio who actively support this cause had also their security withdrawn. This is suspending the Constitution illegally, engaging in intimidation and blackmail. They are also setting stage for assassinations promised by Moses Kuria on his social media and on his public pronouncement. There is a slow but steady attempt to introduce martial law in Kenya. We know that Mr. Ruto, who Mr. Ruto is learning from, we will not allow it. We will resist. As a country, as a people, we have come too far to look back. By dawn, the Central Park, where our members were meant to assemble, had been taken over by hundreds of plain-clothed police, uniformed officers, marked and unmarked vehicles, and goons posing as police. This too was a product of the meeting in Thika. It was a pursuit of the prediction by Moses Kuria that in the course of these protests, Ali Harvey Oswald would emerge and assassinate Azimio leader, as was done with President